The WATS application provides a built-in user face for logging repair operations. These are logged as reports called UUR or Unit Under Repair. By default, WATS comes with one predefined general repair operation, but using the control panel, you can define any number of different operations to support your needs. To log a repair operation, open the operator interface. Here you can scan or type in a serial number, which will bring up this unit's serial number history. And here I can see that this unit has been tested twice in PCBA test and both have failed. If I want to log a repair for this unit, I now click the repair icon in the menu. And the first step of the repair process is to, in this case, select between two different available repair processes. And I will select the module production repair. And the next step is an option where I can add MISC info to the report header. I will just click next. And the next step is to identify a UUT report. And in this list, I can see the previous tests run on the unit. And I will select the latest one of the two failed tests and confirm. The next step is to log the actual failures. But before I do that, I want to look at the window to the right. Here we have 4 different things that we can preview. First, we can preview the UUR report that we are currently creating. I can look at the UUT report with the fail step. I can review the serial number history for the unit I'm repairing, and I can also inspect related repair history. And this will show me any repairs performed on this part number in the history, and pre-selected is the one that matches my failed step. Here I can inspect what has been done previously, and I can see that 2 repairs have been logged with the code replaced, no component reference, and 2 have been logged with defect component and U301 as the component reference. Now, logging my failure, the step name is already pre-selected, and I get to choose from a list of categories and codes. And these categories and codes are specific for each repair operation and can be configured in the control panel. I will select the component defect component. And next up is to add a component reference. And in some cases, you will have a boom list uploaded to your product number. And in that case, I will get this kind of list to select component references from. In other cases, this might be a free text or a text formatted by a regular expression. I will type in U301, and I can comment, and I can attach an image. Once the failure is filled in, I can choose to add it, and I can preview my UUR, and we can see that the data that I have typed in is logged. And to submit the report, I simply click Submit Report, and I'll be taken back to the serial number history, where my repair operation now is visible in the lists.